Digital bite, clinical bite, fast digital occlusion that matches reality. Let's see how IntelliBite achieves this. It begins with a fast, full-arch intraoral scan. Then a natural bite is captured, quickly and effortlessly. IntelliBite creates a clear digital view of occlusion. IntelliBite reduces the gap between digital bite records and actual intraoral contact patterns. Next, articulating paper marks are captured with Aoralscan ELF. With IntelliBite, digital occlusion closely aligns with clinical contact marks, delivering results you can trust in real-world practice. Fast visual, clinically aligned, IntelliBite. Fast digital occlusion that matches reality.